What's up everybody? In this video, I'm going to show you 3 free mint NFT projects that I'm keeping my eye on. Very hard to predict how they're gonna do, especially in this market, but if you are looking to flip and make some money, there is still always opportunities, and some projects, even free mints, actually doing well. So here's an example. This one right here, this project sold out very quickly, I think in less than 10 minutes. And if we open OpenSea, as you can see right here, this is the next day, floor price already went down and it's still 0.06%. I think the highest I've seen was like 12 or 13%, and this was a free mint. So it's hard to predict, but there are still plenty of projects to make money on. But before I'm going to show you the projects, I have to state something. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not a financial advice. This video is for educational and entertainment purpose only. So let's look at the first project. First one, it's called Tokens.ai, and at the time of recording this video, this project only has 3,500 followers and it's a free mint. They already have a Discord, and if we scroll down, as you can see, their posts are not getting a whole lot of interaction, probably because it's still a brand new project, but looks like they're doing some giveaway spots on their Twitter. So this one I'm keeping my eye on, and I think it's pretty easy to get a whitelist spot because this project is not very hyped yet. Then the second project, it's called Kitsune Kings, and as you can see, this is also a fairly new project. They only have 4,700 followers on the Twitter account, and the supply is going to be 3,333. Whitelist, it's going to be 1 free mint, and then second one is going to be paid mint, and then public, it's also going to be paid mint. So if you can get yourself a whitelist spot, then it's going to be free mint for you. Mint date is to be determined. And as you can see, they're getting decent interaction on their Twitter posts, and they also collaborate with different NFT projects or alpha groups. So this is another one that I think has a decent potential. And since this project in very early stage, I think it's going to be easy to get a whitelist spot. And the last project, it's called The Outer Costs, and again, this is a free mint for VIP. The total supply is going to be 5,555. They already have a website and they have 23,000 followers on their Twitter account. So this one is pretty high project. And if we scroll down, as you can see, this was posted 11 hours ago and it's a pre-mint link. It has decent interactions, so since they have pre-mint link, you can just click on it and register and hopefully get yourself a whitelist spot like that. Or if we scroll down, as you can see, they're also doing more giveaway whitelist spot, like this is another pre-mint link, and if we scroll down more, they have more pre-mint links. So if you enter every single one of them, most likely you can get yourself a whitelist spot for this specific project as well. And this is pretty much it at the moment. I'm keeping my eye on these 3 projects. I'm gonna try to get a whitelist spot. And if this video is helpful to you, press that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching.